everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following polynomial by equating their coefficients. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we have given that x plus 1 all squared is equivalent to x squared plus bx plus c. We have to find the values of b and c. The first step will be to expand our left-hand side. And by doing that, we have x plus 1 multiplying x plus 1. That will give us x squared. What I'm doing is multiplying all the terms in the first bracket with all the terms in the second bracket. So x plus x times x will give us x squared plus x times 1 x plus 1 times x, x, plus 1 times 1, 1. Or better still, what I've done is to FOIL. X squared plus 2x, that's x, plus 1 is what we'll have, and that is equivalent to x squared plus bx plus c. Now that we've been able to expand, what I'm going to do next is to equate the coefficient of each term. The coefficient of a term is the number or the variable attached to that term. So for example, if I write 2b, the coefficient of b will be my 2. If I write 3xy, the coefficient of y will be my 3x. So going back to the question, let's start with terms in x squared. We have x squared here and x squared here. So therefore, we have x squared equivalent to x squared. You can see that the coefficients are the same as an invisible one here, an invisible one, so there's nothing to do here. We move to the next term. We have terms in x. So terms in x, on the left hand side we have 2x, and on the right hand side we have bx. So we have 2x equivalent to bx. Writing out the coefficient, all the terms or numbers associated with x, we have 2 is equivalent to b. So what that means is the value of b is 2. If we go to a constant term, on the left hand side, the constant term, I'm going to take out the terms in x. We have plus 1 and plus c. So writing that out, on the left hand side we have 1 or plus 1 is equivalent to c. So therefore, what we have is our b is equal to 2 and our c is equal to 1. Let's look at the next example. We have given 2x squared plus 20x plus 50 is equivalent to 2 times x plus p all to the power of 2. We have to find the values of p. Rewriting the question, we have 2x squared plus 20x plus 50 is equivalent to 2 times x plus p to the power of 2. Expanding the right hand side, what we have is 2 times x plus p squared, that's x plus p in 2 places. If we expand, we have 2 times the content of the first bracket. We'll multiply the content of the second bracket and make sure that all the terms multiply each other. So we start with x times x squared, x times p plus xp, p times x again plus xp, p times p, that's p squared, a fold. Collecting like terms, simplifying, we have x squared plus 2xp plus p squared. And expanding the bracket with 2, I'm going to write out our left hand side. I have my 2x squared plus 20x plus 50 equals the 2 outside the bracket will multiply all the terms inside the bracket. Taking note of our signs, we have 2 times x squared, 2x squared plus 2 times 2xp 4xp plus 2 times p squared 2p squared. So starting with our x squared terms, we have on our left hand side 2x squared and 2x squared. So equating them together, we have 2x squared is equivalent to 2x squared. There's nothing to do here, so we skip to the next term because already the coefficients are exactly the same, which is 2. So going to terms in x, we have x terms. What do we have on our left hand side? 20x. On our right hand side, we have 4xp. So equating that, we have 20x on our left hand side is equivalent to, on our right hand side, 4xp. If we resolve by equating the coefficient on our left hand side, coefficient of x is 20. We have that equal to coefficient of x on the right hand side, that will give us 4p. And dividing both sides by 4, we have a p equals to 20 divided by 4, positive 5. Let's look at the constant terms. We have on the left 50 and on the right 2p squared. So we have 50 being equivalent to, so dividing both sides by 2, we have 25 equals to p squared. We have 2 into 1. To find p, we're going to find the square root of both sides, and square root of 25 will be p equals plus or minus 5. However, we have to make sure that we have the same values for p. In the first part, we got p equals to positive 5, and the constant term we have p equals plus or minus 5. Both must be satisfied, so therefore we have p cannot be equal to 5 because that condition wasn't satisfied in the two answers. Therefore, the value of p equals to positive 5. Thanks for watching. Bye.